Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to showcase a different approach to exploit Shellshock vulnerability. Although I've already made the video on this machine, and the manual way was adopted to exploit Shellshock vulnerability. If you want entire video of this machine, you can get it yourself. I will put the link into this video below. Okay. So how to do exactly? We can utilize the Metasploit framework. As you know, we have already been using Metasploit a lot, because this is so fantastic pen testing framework, which can make our many jobs to be very easy and very effective. All right, so without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux. Of course, I will not start from scratch to do or to record this video. I'm assuming that we have already got this entry, the CGI script, the location of the CGI or the shell script. Okay, so I will use this as our starting point. Next we can pull up the terminal and launch the Metasploit console with Q option. Q here means quiet, so the banner of the Metasploit framework will not be displayed. This can save the time. Or we can call it clean mode of the Metasploit console. Next, we can search the module. This module, we need to use this module to exploit Shellshock vulnerability. And in most cases, we cannot remember its full name. I think as any pen tester, we should be familiar with the commands of Metasploit framework. So how to get the full name of the module what we want? We can use the command search followed by the keywords Shellshock. Okay, and so now we got the list of possible modules or which have relations to Shellshock, and let's check them one by one. Maybe not one by one. I think I can find it immediately. We can copy, and we can run another command, use, followed by the module name or module path. So no payload configured. I'd like to point out at this point, sometimes we need to change the default payload in order for the module to work properly. But in this case, this default this default payload can work fine, can work well. Metasploit, Metasploit is very, very, very wonderful payloads, okay, which can provides us a lot of functions like upload a file, can do screenshot, many functions, but that's out of scope of this video. So next we can run command show options to see which options are required to configure. Of course, this one we need to change or need to set. We can use command set followed by the key name or option name localhost to our Kali Linux, and Then we need to set local port number to 555. Of course, you can, use the default one, no problem. Next, we need to set a remote host to our target. Okay, let's run show options again. We need to see which else are required to configure in order for this module to work properly. Okay, so I think this one we need to change or need to configure. Okay, target URI. This is the path to CGI script. We have already got this one by directory immersion, for example, with GoBuster. And now we can set target URI to CGI bin and backup CGI. Or maybe shell script is doing well as well. So now I think we can run show options again to make sure we have already configured every required option or options. Okay, every option, module options. If the module cannot work as we expected, and then we need to go back to see maybe we need to make additional configuration. Okay, so now we can run. As you can see, it's working very well. Metasploit session one opened, and now we can get like a UID, www data, and also if you want to get the list of a command. So just I mentioned the Metasploit is so great payload, which can provide us a lot of functions. Change mode. Also, we can download, we can upload, we can printing working directory. Okay, very great, and also can get the PID, UID, and but very often we need to get the shell session or drop into a system command shell by running shell, and channel 1 created, but this we are not custom, or we are not used to this type of shell. We can run Python 2 is there by run Python import pty module spawn method. Okay, so now I think it's much better. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.